guys! The dog you're seeing on the side of the screen is me. My name is Pom Pom. Yes, I know the name doesn't match my good looks. That's my lazy mom for you. She didn't pick up a perfect name for my gorgeous looks. She's making crafts here, a very cute crafts, while she lacks in naming gorgeous dogs something adorable. She really makes good crafts first. She's going to teach you how to make 3D stickers, then cute notebooks, squishies, and even sticky notes. So stick with her while she's making all these crafts. I'll meet you guys in next video, and please subscribe for my sake. If this video reaches 100 likes, maybe she'll change my name. After all, I'm only 10 days old.